Hello everyone, good morning. This morning we are headed to Johor Bahru for a one-day relaxed day. And first up, I'm going to take an MRT over to Kranji MRT to take bus 170. So follow me along for today's adventure, and we are trying some new places to eat. Yeah, excited, and it's a beautiful day. Oh my god, we need to walk for 10-15 minutes. Look at the jam. This is ridiculous. Oh. Hey, B10. B10. How's the food? Good. Whoa, Jess, where are you? Jess, where are you? Yay! Tasty? From which store?
I don't know, Verona.
Yeah.
Nice.
Shopping at Xtep. New tea. So many. And good steal.
Good deal.
20%.
my god, it's totally random. Decided to just stay in JB for one night because we came in pretty late today due to the traffic. So yeah, checking in here at KSL Hotel and Resort. Okay, so Serene, really very random. We are here at KSL Hotel. Why sounds so wrong. Yeah. We have just decided to just lengthen the entire experience here in JB. Yes, spontaneous overnight trip. Our 老板娘 checking us in. Stay tuned for the room tour. Whoa, walking to our Airbnb. I don't know how to go. The staff is bringing us there. Buying a birthday cake for our birthday girl, Serene. Thank you. Got spa. Yay, we are here in our Airbnb. Look at our shopping loot.
I'm the shopping look.
Yay! 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 Woo! Room number 1. Toilet. 1, 2, 3. I think we need more shower tower. Oh no, inside here. Wow, another nice room. Woo. 对，有5个。5个啊。Is this my room? Oh my lord, this is so small. I feel like I'm in a storage room. Helper's room.
I can change with you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, birthday to Serene. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
许愿
万事都如意。
闭眼
一个眼睛。
许10个，最后一个跟我们讲。
10个。
他一定。
所以仪式性啊。
你
耶！切蛋糕仪式。
OK， 好了。
Okay. Good morning from Johor Bahru. Woohoo! What a spontaneous night.
And like just 2 of us.
Are you really very sure? We have to prove our innocence. We have a team of 5. Hello everyone, yes, I'm back and now I'm walking back home after a spontaneous 2-day 1-night kind of escape at JB. Totally unplanned, just wanted to go there for a day trip. However, ended up with a very wonderful and memorable time, my friends. Shout out to Doreen, Catherine, Jazz and Serene. Thank you so much for, honoring this wonderful opportunity to have fun and experience something like what we did during HR Getaway many moons ago. So yeah, looking forward to having a good rest before another hectic week ahead. So see you guys soon and thank you so much for journeying with us on this trip. Bye bye!